Shopify has come up with a new feature which can help your store in many ways. New Add to Cart Limit feature. So let's check this feature in detail. Welcome to Shopify's Add to Cart Limit feature, a powerful tool designed to help you manage your inventory, protect your business, and create a better shopping experience for your customers.
So what is the Add to Cart limit?
The Add to Cart limit is a new setting in your Shopify admin that lets you control the maximum quantity of any single item a customer can add to their cart in one order. This limit applies to each product and each variant independently. So, if you sell a t-shirt in red, blue, and green and set a limit of 30, your customers can buy up to 30 of each color variant per order.
But why is this so important? Why use Add to Cart limits?
There are several reasons you might want to set limits on how many items a customer can purchase at once. Protect your inventory. Previously, if a customer tried to add more items than you had in stock, Shopify would automatically reduce the quantity to match your available inventory. While this helped prevent overselling, it could also unintentionally reveal your exact stock levels to customers. Now, with Add to Cart limits, you can keep your inventory information private. Prevent bulk buying and stockouts. Limiting the quantity per customer helps prevent a single shopper from buying out your entire stock, especially during sales or product launches. This ensures more customers have a chance to buy your products and reduces the risk of stockouts, which can hurt customer loyalty and confidence. Promote fairness and scarcity. By restricting how many items each customer can buy, you can create a sense of urgency and exclusivity around your products, making them more desirable and helping to reach more customers during flash sales or limited edition releases. Meet legal or supplier requirements. In some cases, you may be required to limit purchase quantities due to legal regulations or supplier agreements.
How does the Add to Cart limit work?
Shopify automatically recommends a limit for your store based on your order history. If you have more than 250 sales, your recommended limit is calculated using your store's order data, with a buffer to accommodate larger than average orders. If you have fewer than 250 sales, the default limit is set to 50 per product variant.
You can adjust this limit at any time, raise it for bestsellers or lower it for exclusive items. Just remember, setting the limit too low could impact your sales, so choose a number that fits your business goals. The Add to Cart limit applies to all products, all customers, and all carts created through your online store. However, there are a few exceptions. The limit does not apply to carts created through Shopify POS, draft orders, or B2B catalogs with their own quantity rules.
How to set up Add to Cart limits. Setting up the Add to Cart limit is simple and can be done right from your Shopify admin panel. Go to Settings, Checkout. In the Advanced Preferences section, click Add to Cart limit. Activate the Set a maximum quantity per item that can be added to a cart option. Enter your desired limit in the limit field. The recommended limit will appear beneath the field. Click Done, then Save.
You can deactivate or change the limit at any time to suit your business needs.
Advanced tips and use cases apply limits for special promotions. Use the Add to Cart limit to control the number of discounted or limited edition items each customer can buy, ensuring more people can take advantage of your offers. Combine with apps for more flexibility. If you need to set different limits for different products or variants, or want to apply rules to the entire cart, consider using Shopify apps that offer advanced cart validation and quantity rules. Communicate limits clearly. Let your customers know about any purchase limits on product pages or during checkout to set expectations and avoid confusion. Ready to take control? Head to your Shopify admin and activate your Add to Cart limit today. If you're looking for a trusted Shopify partner agency in Dubai to help you set up, customize, or grow your online store, we're here to help. Visit us at www.maquae.com to get in touch with our expert team today. Let's build your successful Shopify store together. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more latest tech-related videos like this.